I told her she gotta come try it. They wondering what I've been doing. I told them I'm keeping it quiet. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking.
Hi guys, Lindsay. What I'm going to tell you guys about this iPhone is that I'm experiencing a problem where on video call you are not able to talk. It appears that there is no mic on video call. So I am going to demonstrate and I'm going to show you what I mean. So the phone is ringing. The minute I put this phone on speaker, and you notice I'm hearing back myself here, but I am not hearing myself over here. So definitely something is wrong, right? I'm only hearing an echo. Nothing is going out. The other person can't hear. If I take it off speaker, they can hear me. So anytime speaker is enabled, they can't hear. So what we're going to do in this video, we are going to check the microphone in this area. There's another microphone at the top of the phone. We are going to check the microphone here and see if this mic here is damaged. Because these phones have two microphones. There's one at the bottom there and there's one at the top. Right, so we are going to take this screen off, and to do so we remove those two screws and we lift the screen up. So that's what we're going to do. We are going to try. There's also a microphone and a speaker up here as well. So I'm thinking that there's some issues with this microphone here. So we are going to open the phone and we're going to fix the issue. So guys, after removing the two screws, you can lift the screen up. And what we're going to do, we are going to remove the entire screen. Before replacing the mic area, what we're going to do, because there's a speaker there as well, we are going to test it with one of these, and once the mic is working on the speaker, then we do the changes. So I am going to go ahead and take this off. So guys, I finished putting on this screen and I'm just going to turn this on now. And we are connected to the Wi-Fi, so I'm going to call again. Hello? You can actually hear that. So we are going to put it on speaker. Hello? Hello? Wow. Hello? 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 So we're actually hearing now. We are on speaker. Right? Let's switch this to a video call. I'm hearing. Hello? What's up? Hearing everything? Everything legit. So guys, I hope that this video was actually helpful to you. So we have some issues with our microphone, our top microphone here. So guys, I am going to replace that cable, and let me show you how the cable looks like. This is a picture of it. So we are going to do the changes and replace that cable. Okay guys, so when you remove this cover, there are 3 screws. Then you remove this speaker right here, which is the top speaker, and there is if you look at it, there is the camera, and also there's the microphone. I can see it from right here, but it's right, you can see the shine thing right underneath there. I'm actually taking my phone to do this video, so unable to video the whole process. So guys, if you look, I just removed the ribbon. Okay, you can see the camera, you can also see the microphone, which is the gold shine thing there, the connection that you are seeing there for the speaker, and the ribbon on a whole. So what we're going to do, we're going to transfer this part to the original screen. This is an old screen here. We're going to put this aside and we are going to remove this And what we need to do, we need to just remove these 3 screws. That's the first part of the ribbon. We remove the speaker, and all we have to do here is gently take out the cable. So guys, when you have everything perfectly aligned, like how it is here, then you want to take the metal clip and you put it back down and you put in back the 3 screws. We're going to try this and hopefully everything should be working. So guys, I finished changing the microphone and the microphone ribbon along with the front camera, right? The connection cable for the speaker as well. So I am going to hook up back the phone and we are going to do a test. I am going to hook up back the phone and we are going to do a test. So I am going to actually turn on the phone now. Hopefully everything is working perfectly. Then all we have to do is to put back the metal piece for the battery and also for the screen, and put the screen down, put the 2 screws at the bottom, and then we are good to go. Let's call the phone. WhatsApp call. I know you can hear the other phone calling the phone, so here we go. Accept. Hello. Hello. Okay, so far so good. So I'm going to put on the speaker. Hello. 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 Yeah, we are good to go. We are good to go. So we successfully changed the ribbon. So this was the fault. Cool. Yeah, everything is legit. And for this video, I hope that this was helpful for you. My name is Lens. Do like, share, subscribe, and all of that good stuff. I'm out.